Good morning once again, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Textbook page 134. Take out and be ready with the pen pencil in your hand. We will wait 1 or 2 minutes more for the students to join and then we will start the class. Those who are joining now, everything is written here on the board that we are going to do the textbook exercises. Mute your mic, please. Someone mic is on.
Ma'am, we are going to do textbook exercises.
Yes. Because
Ma'am,
all the
I will not.
concepts we have covered, we are going to do textbook exercises. If you don't have your textbook, take any notebook. Whatever the answers I will discuss, I'm going to present the screen also to you. You can write it in your that notebook.
Okay.
I will wait 1 more minute for the students to join and then exactly at 9:30 I will start the class. Yash, Karna, Dhyan, please turn on your camera. Tuisha, are you there with the two IDs or one ID? Because one, yeah, this is camera is off. Anushka, turn on your camera.
Ma'am, I am joining from
Taking my
another
book.
device.
Okay. Ayush, Dan Dalal, you have missed the class yesterday.
Ma'am, I have recovered. Ma'am, I have taken the details from a student, from my friend.
Okay. Mohit, please mute your mic. Yes. Sit properly. Everyone sit properly. Mohit, sit properly. I want to see you. Karna, turn on your camera and sit properly. I want to see you all. Ayush, turn on your camera and sit properly. Aryaman, turn on your camera and sit properly in the class. Karnav, are you there behind the screen or someone else is there?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Good morning. Good morning, Gunav. Turn
Good
on your
morning,
camera.
ma'am.
Good morning. I want to see everyone. Vivan Balchandani, turn on your camera, please.
Ma'am, I had a
Good
doubt.
morning. Yes, please.
Ma'am, from the last the worksheet you sent, last
Hmm.
worksheet,
Hmm.
I didn't understand the first question.
Can we discuss it at the last?
Okay.
The revision worksheet which I sent.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll discuss at the last. Okay, students, take out your textbook page number 134. Now it's 9:31. I'll start the class. Page number 134, take out from your textbook. Okay, so the page number 134 is saying, I'm going to present the screen. Along with that, I'm going to show you on the board also. Keep pencil in your hand so that you can write the answers there in the space provided.
Ma'am,
Okay,
can you
so
see me?
yes, Trisha,
The page number.
it's there written on the board. That's the reason I have written. Can you see there? There, can you see the step page number?
Yes.
Students, am I audible to you all? Am I audible? Can I start the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chapter number 10, tens and hundreds. What was the length of the smallest pencil you have used? How long is the pencil? Guess. So this is the pencil given. So if you guess this pencil, तुलनी 10 सेंटीमीटर की तो हो नहीं हो सकती 10, 12, 13, 15, 18, 10. So can you guess what will be the measurement of this pencil by looking at that?
3 to 4 centimeter.
3 to 4 centimeter. The guessing is good. So now measure it with the scale. Now take the ruler and measure it. So now
Ma'am,
when you
3.5.
when you have any object, look at my board screen, any object, and if you want to measure that object, you always start from that zero, from the beginning point, and then you have to go then one, then two, and so on. Because why we are not starting from one, why we always start from the zero, the first ending point? Because the distance from here to here is the 1 centimeter. Am I clear? Don't measure, don't take any object and start measuring from 1. No. If you start measuring from 1, then 1 to 2 is 1 centimeter and 2 to 3 is 2 centimeter. So then your answer will be wrong. That is the reason we always start from 0. 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter, 1 to 2 is 2 centimeter, and 2 to 3 is 3 centimeter. And if you have noticed the ruler, please mute your mic. Someone mic is on and that mic is disturbing me. Please mute your mic. Someone mic is on. Yes. So now the distance between 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter, and if you want to find out how many millimeters in the 1 centimeter, you have to count the small lines. So 1 centimeter equals to how many millimeters, students?
10.
10.
10 millimeters. And if I'm talking about 1 millimeter, so 1 millimeter is a 1/10 part. Out of 10 part, it's a 1 part. It's a 1/10. So there is a big difference between tens and tenths. Got it, students? There is a big difference between tens and tenths. Means tens, out of total 10 parts, how many parts we are talking about? That is the reason we are writing it into the fraction. Suppose if I am giving you 2/10. So how you are going to write it into the decimal?
Ma'am, it will be 20.00.
20.00.
No, 02.
02. Where is the point?
0.2.
Yes, 0.2. There, start studying.
If you say that if there is 2 tens, you wouldn't say tens.
I said 2/10 TE because it's in a fraction. It is already understood that it's a tenths part. It is not a tenths part.
Okay, got it.
When it is in a fraction, you already understood that it is in a tenth part. It is not in a whole number part. Are you clear?
Okay, yes.
So 2/10 means if you write it into the decimal, it will be 0.2. Am I clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Now read this. Here are centimeters. Just a minute. It's given in a cloud. So exactly when she put this lenses on the scale and she measured, so the distance is coming 1.3 point. The length of this pencil is coming
3.6 centimeters.
Yes, 3.6 centimeter. Here are some centimeters. Centimeter has 10 equal parts. So each part is 1/10 of a centimeter, which I have. Please mute your mic. Still someone mic is on. 1/10 of a centimeter. 1/10 of a centimeter is called a 1 millimeter. That you all are clear. Oh, so this pencil is 3 centimeters and 6 millimeters long. See, I am 3 millimeter long. Now you will say, ma'am, they have kept the ant in between. How they are measuring? They are not measuring from 0. It's okay if they are not measuring from 0, but now they are counting the lines. If they're counting the lines 1, 2, 3, whether they measure from middle, whether they from anywhere, but you know one line is 1 millimeter. So there are 3 lines they have counted. So it's 3 millimeter. Clear, everyone? Till here? Can I move ahead? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
But
Yes,
I am longer 7/10 of a centimeter or dash millimeter. 7/10. Now this another is coming. You can see big ant is here, a cockroach or whatever the insect is this. So when you see they are measuring it now, wait a minute. I'll show you the next picture. Yeah, this one. So when you count the lines, small lines for this, they are saying it's a 7/10 of a centimeter. So 7/10 of a centimeter equals to how many millimeters?
0.7 millimeter.
0.7 centimeter. And millimeter में it will be 7 millimeter.
Yes, 7 milliliters.
It is 7 millimeter. And if you are saying 0.7, then you say centimeter. Because you have already converted into the centimeter now. Clear?
Yes.
We also call 1/10 of a centimeter is 0.1 centimeter. Got it? 1/10 is 0.1 centimeter. When you are converting them into the decimal, then you write the bigger unit, centimeter. We read it as 0.1 centimeter. We have already learned how to read the decimal numbers. And this point is the decimal point. So 1 millimeter is same as 0.1 centimeter. So if I tell you what is 4 millimeter in the centimeter, 4 millimeter in the centimeter,
0.4 centimeter.
0.4 centimeter. And 4 millimeter, if you write it into the fraction,
4/10.
4/10, 4/10. Got it? Now go to the next page, page number 135. What is the length of this pencil?
Ma'am, can I
Dash
say?
millimeter. Yes, please tell me how many millimeter it is?
Ma'am, 6 millimeter and 0.6 centimeter.
Very good. 6 millimeter and 0.6 centimeter. Because millimeter, if you convert into the centimeter, it will be 0.6 centimeter. Till here, any doubt to any child?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Frogs. Now you are learning about the some EVS part also here. There are two different types of frogs, gold frogs and bull frogs. Have you seen frogs where? How many different types of frogs have you seen? Are all the frogs of the same length, students? Are all the frogs of the same length?
No.
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 So here they are
No,
giving
ma'am.
you two interesting examples of the different sizes of the frogs. One is gold frogs and the another is bull frog. अब the gold frog इतने tiny होते हैं. This kind of a frog is among the smallest in the world. बहुत छोटे होते हैं gold frogs. Their length is 0.9 centimeter. And if I tell you what is 0.9 in centimeter into the millimeter, will be
9 millimeter.
So 9
9
millimeter.
millimeter. Yes. So 9 millimeter. So can you guess how many such frogs can sit on your little finger? आपकी छोटे फिंगर पे कितने बैठ सकते हैं फ्रॉग्स? आप गैस कर सकते हैं?
Ma'am, I think 3.
3.
3.
1 नहीं बेटा, 1 तो इतना बड़ा, it will be approximately 2 centimeter हो जाएगा. 3 frogs छोटे छोटे आपकी little finger पे बैठ सकते हैं. Got it? Now please mute your mic. Bull frog. But this is among the biggest frog. It has long as 30.5 centimeter. Bullfrogs are the longest frog and the length of the bullfrog is 30.5 centimeter. Children, have you remembered why in the centimeter after decimal there is 1 digit, and in the rupees after decimal it is compulsory to have 2 digits? Why? Can anyone tell me?
Ma'am, Ayush.
Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, because 10 in meters, 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. Whereas
Yes.
when we go to rupees, then 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee.
So you should have compulsory 2 digits after the decimal in the rupees. And when you do in centimeter meter, it is 1 digit after the decimal.
Yes.
Now go to the next down. What does 0.9 centimeter means? Who will tell me what does 0.9
Ma'am, can I
centimeter?
say? Ma'am,
I think Kush is giving me many answers. Ayush is giving me. What about the others?
ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I?
Yash will try.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yash, please try.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 0.9
9 centimeter means what? Can you explain?
Can I-
0.9 centimeter is what?
Can I?
Yes, please.
Somebody.
No, Anya.
Yes, ma'am. 9 centimeter.
Let me take the attendance. Yeah, please carry on. You please give me the answer. 0.9 centimeter is what? Can you explain it into the other ways? और क्या क्या है ये? Just now I explained.
9 centimeter and
0.9 centimeter can't be 9 centimeter, बच्चा. 0.9 centimeter 9 centimeter तो नहीं बन सकता ना?
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can I say?
Trisha will speak. Yes, Trisha.
9 millimeters.
Yes, 0.9 centimeter is 9 millimeter or it is a 9/10. Got it? Aina, now you are clear? Ridan, you are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt to any child?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now you can write in the blank 9 millimeter. We can also say this 9/10 of a centimeter. So I have given you both the example. It can be 9/10 also and 9 millimeter also. Right. So now go to the next. 30.5 centimeter is same as dash centimeter and dash millimeter. So what
Can
do
I
you
say?
write?
Ma'am,
Yes,
can I say?
Mohit, Ridan.
Can I?
Ridan, give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. 30 centimeter and 5 millimeter.
Very good. Excellent. Go to the next. About how many of the big frogs will fit on the 1 centimeter scale? कितने frogs आ जाएंगे?
3. No, 1.
No, ma'am. It
Then-
can be more than
Ma'am, 9.
3.
1. Ma'am, 9.
And 1.
How? 9.
Ma'am, the smaller one, na?
Hmm.
Yeah, ma'am, no, 1.
1. Ma'am, 3.
3 frogs.
Ma'am, 3, ma'am. 3
Please write. If they sit in a straight line, about how many of the small frogs will cover 1 meter?
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am,
Huh.
I have a doubt.
Ma'am, can I say?
This 3 frogs for the 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 30 plus 30 plus 30, if you do it is 90 centimeters. So you can say approximately 3 frogs will come, big frogs. Now, yes, Daria, please speak.
Ma'am, it is written about how many big frogs.
Big frogs.
Yeah, not small. So how?
No, how many big frogs? That's the reason I'm explaining. No, how many big frogs? Because one big frog is 30.5.
No,
So
ma'am.
3
Half of it.
big frogs will be
Half.
30 plus 30 plus 30 is 90 centimeter plus 0.5. 0.5 also you will add. So only 3 big frogs will come.
90.15 centimeter will be covered.
Then if you go to the small, if they sit in a straight line, about how many of the small frogs will cover 1 centimeter?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes.
Can I?
Ma'am, 91 frogs.
It's 100, so it's 0.9. Yes, approximately it can be.
The 91 and 90.
Yes, ma'am. It will be 91.
Yes. So divide it and find the answer. This way. It's saying 111 or something will come in the, because when you divide it, you have learned the division also, no?
Yes, ma'am.
100 divided by 0.9. Remove the point and start dividing and you will get the answer. Now, length of a nail, 2 centimeter and dash millimeter. So 2 centimeter equals to how many millimeters? How many millimeters, students?
20. 20.
Write it in the blank. And they are saying length of a nail is 2 centimeter. No, this nail. 2 centimeter and 9 millimeters. Got it? This is not 2 centimeter equals to 20 millimeters, but it is the measurement of the nail they are giving. Nail आपको पता है क्या होती है? This is not that nail. ये कील की बात कर रहे हैं. That nail measurement, if you see 0 to 2 is 2 centimeter, and when you count the small lines, it's giving you the 9 millimeters. So 2 dash centimeter. So what will come in this blank now?
2.9. 2.9.
9. Go to the next page. About the lady finger. The length of this lady finger bhindi is dash centimeter and dash millimeter. Please
Ma'am, can I
count.
say?
Yes.
Ma'am, it is 8 centimeter and 3 millimeter.
Let's check, because they are not starting from 0. They are starting from middle. But
Yes,
from
ma'am.
1 to 2, you will count 1 centimeter, then 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So it is approximately. We will check it now. What will be the answer? According to this, it is coming 9 centimeter, but when you subtract 1 from it, because this one is not included, right?
Yes, ma'am.
8.3. 8.3. Got it? Any doubt to any child? Now moving to the candles. Am I clear till here?
Yes,
Using
ma'am.
the scale on this page, find the difference in the length between candle 1 and candle 3. So children, this is activity for you. You have to measure the length of these candles and write the measurement in the centimeter and the millimeter in this block, and write the comparison also, and write the subtraction also, because we are saying difference in the length between candle 1 and candle 3. So first you find the measurement of candle 3. Suppose it is 18 centimeter or 9 centimeter. Candle 1 is 5 centimeter or whatever. And how you are going to find the difference? By subtracting. And you know centimeter will come in the centimeter side and millimeter will come in the millimeter side. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you find the difference. Now guess and color. First color the rods as shown without measuring, then check the rods. So this you have to color and see the which is about the guessing is 1 centimeter, color them red. This way you can do this activity after the class. Now go to the next page, page number 137. Come on, this is also about the ant length, pencil length. This also takes some objects and find out their measurements and write it in this, because they want to know that whether you have learned how to measure the object or not. This is the activity simply for that. Clear everyone, that how to
Yes,
put the
ma'am.
object on the ruler or on the scale and how to measure it?
ma'am.
These activities are for that only, that you have learned how to measure or you have not learned. Clear? Go down. Our eyes get confused. Which line is longer, A or B? Measure each line and write how long it is, centimeters. How good is your guess? Can you tell me, students?
Ma'am, I can tell you.
Yes, ma'am, I can tell.
Yes, Rudra Master.
Ma'am, the A1 is 4.5 centimeter and B1 is 5 centimeter.
You have measured?
No, ma'am, A1 is 4.6 centimeter.
Which is longer, A or B?
And B.
Okay, this you can try. It is giving 4.6 centimeter for the A. Let's see for the B also. Just a minute.
Ma'am, for me, B is 5.5 centimeter.
Just a minute. Wait. .6, and then B is what it is coming? Measure that B also and find out. Am I audible? Am I audible, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please answer me, because when I present the screen, I'll not able to see you all. Rudra Chachadia, you have joined now?
Yes, ma'am.
Rudra Chachadia?
Yes, ma'am.
You have joined now?
Yes, ma'am, because I was coming with my cycle and over that place there was no
Okay,
network.
I will start the class, bacha. But please join on time. There is no use of joining this much late time.
Ma'am, from tomorrow I will join on time because I will be at my home from tomorrow.
Okay. Which line is longer, C or D? Measure each line. How good is your guess? Measure them and find which line is
Ma'am,
longer. This is
ma'am,
also, yes, please. Kevna.
ma'am, I measured it with my scale and rule. I measured it with my ruler, and both are same.
Same. A and B are same.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And then
Now
C
go
and
to
D
the
are
C and
also
D.
same.
Also same. But why they are presenting like this? कि ये बड़ी होगी और वो छोटी, because they arrows. Got it, students?
Ma'am, I know the ma'am, I know the third C. Ma'am, C1 is 3.3 centimeter. I am measuring it is 3.
Approximately 3.3 or 3.2. Okay. But you have learned no how to measure it. That is the main basic concept to explain you how to measure them. Go to the next. Whose tail is longest? Guess whose tail is longest. Now measure the tails. How long is your guess? How good is your guess? Measure the tail of lizard and this mouse.
Mom, cat.
Ma'am, monkey.
The cat or monkey, everyone's tail.
Ma'am,
Monkey. हाँ, ऑब्जर्वेशन से क्लियर है कि मंकी की टेल ही बड़ी होगी. एंड किसकी छोटी होगी?
Ma'am, dog.
Pig.
The
Yes.
pig.
Pig and dog, yes. Now the longest rupee note. So what is the length of a 100 rupee note? Please mute your mic. Someone mic is on. Mute your mic.
Yes.
Mika, your mic.
What is the length of a 100 rupee note? Guess. How
Can I
big
say-
using a scale? Approximately you can give, but you can
Ma'am,
measure it with the.
Ma'am, 14.
Ma'am, can I
14.5.
12 to
Yes,
14
I am on.
centimeter?
10 centimeter.
Ma'am, I think it's 5 centimeter.
Let's see. But you are guessing. Please try it. Okay.
Ma'am, 14.5.
Take the ruler and start making like maths magic book. What is the length? What is the width? You have to write them in the blank. Length and breadth. You know, no, how to measure what is length and what is
Ma'am,
breadth.
10 centimeter.
Your maths magic book on 100 rupee note.
26 length.
Ma'am, a 100 rupee note is
Ma'am, 100 rupee
14.4 and
Okay.
width is 6.6.
Okay. So you have learned how to measure the objects.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Now coming in the decimal में चीजें, when you go to buy the products and the prices in the decimals, what you have to do? The rupees 2.50 for one egg. So when you buy 2 eggs, how much you have to pay?
Ma'am,
No,
5 rupees.
Ma'am, it will be 5 rupees.
Samriddhi will pay 3 rupees to buy 2 eggs. Samriddhi, right?
Ma'am, our maths magic book is 26 centimeter.
Okay. Samriddhi, how much you will pay to buy 2 eggs?
Mama, you're saying 5 centimeter.
5 centimeter.
Sorry, 5 of this side.
थोड़े से सो के बाहर निकलो बच्चा नींद में से, right? So you what some children have plus added 2.5 plus 2.50 two times and they find out. Some did multiplication, right? So you
Yes.
can apply any of the method and find the answer. But you have learned all the methods of addition, subtraction, multiplication in decimals. Now look at this funny price, 32 rupees and 99 paisa. Children, आपने सुना होगा ना, they put a sale, it is 32 rupees and 99 paisa. So क्या 1 पैसा शॉपकीपर हमें वापस देता है?
No, ma'am.
This is just an like business ideas to make us fool, because they will not take us 1 paisa back. But when they give the price in this way, 32 rupees 99 paisa, it will look attractive, right? 33 rupees ऐसा लगता है बहुत महंगा हो गया. 1 पैसा भी कम करते हैं तो हमें क्या लगता है? We are paying less price. But अल्टीमेटली शॉपकीपर हमें वो 1 पैसा वापस तो नहीं देता है. It is just an business ideas. Okay. Now, this is only to fool us by showing 1 paisa less. 1 paisa is 1/10 of a rupee. Isn't it? It's written as, so 1/10 of a rupee. You have learned 1/10 of a centimeter is 0.1. So what is 1/10 of a rupee? Who will tell me?
0.01.
0.01. Everyone is clear? Because it is 1/10 is a out of the 100 parts. Got it? It's a 100 part, not 1/10 part. 1/10 part we have learned in the centimeter meters. Here we are learning from the 100 parts. So it will be 100 parts. So 100 hundredths written as in the decimal is 0.01. Clear? Can I move ahead? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Go to next. How many paisa does a matchbox cost? So tell me what is the
0.50.
0.50. Where only few students are alert in the class. Others are, I don't know what are they doing. Are they sleeping or what?
Ma'am, I am giving answers.
Just a minute. Let me close this. So now you have written 0.50. So how many matchboxes can be got for
5. 5.
rupees?
Ma'am,
0.50? 5. Please write. How many rupees does the soap cost? What is the cost?
8.75. 8.75.
8.75. Yes. Arun wanted to buy a soap. He has 5 rupee coin, 2 1 rupee coin, and 4 half rupee coin. Write in rupees how many money he will get back. पहले तो बताओ कि उसके पास है कितना. Arun wanted to buy a soap. He has 5 rupee coin. So 5 rupee coin means 5 rupees he has. 2 1 rupee coin means he has 2 rupees. And 4 half rupee coin. 4 half rupee coin means how many rupees?
3.5.
Huh?
9 rupees.
Ma'am, 2
Ma'am,
rupees.
9 rupees.
I am asking 2 half rupee coin means
Ma'am.
what?
Ma'am, 2 rupees.
Ma'am,
2
Ma'am,
rupees.
0.25 will be left with him.
Ma'am,
So he has
ma'am,
0.789
0.25.
and he has to buy a
0.25.
soap.
Ma'am, a quarter will be left with him. 0.25.
0.25. Yes, because the soap cost is 8.75. Got it? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now go next. An egg costs 2.5 rupee. How much will 1.5 dozen cost? 1 dozen will be how many eggs?
12 eggs.
And 1.5 dozen means how many eggs?
18 eggs.
18 eggs. So when 18 will multiply by 2.50, find out the answer.
Ma'am,
and
rupees
tell me.
45 will come.
Find out the answer.
Ma'am, 45 rupees.
80. Let me multiply and give you the answer. What, according to you, what is the answer, students?
Ma'am, 45 rupees.
18 multiplied by 2.5.
45.
45. Yes. How many pens can Kanan buy? How much money is left? Now Kanan was having 60 rupees. Na? Please mute your mic. Please mute your mic. Who's this?
Leah, mute your mic.
60 rupees Kanan was having and she spent 45 rupees on eggs. How much amount is left with her? 15. Now from 15 rupees, how many pens she will buy? And how much money will left with her?
He will buy
2 pence.
2 pens,
Yes. And
which will be $13 rupees. So it will be 2 rupees left.
2 rupees. Yes, ma'am.
it will be 2 rupees.
Yes,
Left.
ma'am. 2 rupees left.
Okay. Now come down on the 6th. The price of 2 pens is 13 and she will buy 2 pens and the 2 rupees will be left. Go to the next page. Practice time. Match these. Start matching and tell me the answer. Because we have learned lot of about the decimal and start matching, students. Do this activity and find the answer fast. First one is already done for you. 1/10. So 1/10 will be matched with what?
Ma'am, done.
10
Tell me,
paisa.
Rudan.
Ma'am, 10 paisa.
Ma'am,
10
10 paisa.
paisa. And rupee?
0.112. 0.10.
Yes, 0.10. Second is 5 upon 100.
Ma'am, 5 paisa.
Ma'am,
5
yeah.
5 paisa. And 5 paisa will be
0.05.
0.05.
0.05.
0. Point.
0.05 rupees.
Next is 3 upon 4.
75
Ma'am,
paisa.
75 paisa.
75 paisa. And 75 paisa will be in how many rupees?
0.75.
0.75. 99 upon 100.
99
Ma'am, 99 paisa.
99 paisa.
99 paisa. And 99 paisa in the rupees will be
0.99.
0.99. And
0.99.
1 4 will be 1/4 will be how many? 25.
5 paisa.
0.25. Yes. Now come down. What part of this sheet is colored blue? First of all, you need to count how many total parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So out of total 10 parts. Wait, I will show you the
1
screen.
upon 10.
Wait a minute. So out of total 10 parts, how many parts are blue?
1 upon 10.
1 upon 10.
So it will be 1 upon 10. Next. What part of the sheet is green?
Ma'am, 3 upon 10.
3 upon 10.
Which color covers 0.2 of the sheet?
Black.
Yellow.
Yellow.
0.2 means 2 parts out of the 10 parts. It will be
red.
red and yellow, you can say.
Yes, ma'am,
also
red and
comes
yellow.
2 parts, red and yellow.
But ma'am,
Now
red
look at
is
the
not
second sheet. Each strip is divided into 10 equal parts. How many boxes are there in all? How many boxes are there in all total? 10. Is blue equal to 10 upon 100 of the sheet?
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And that blue is equal to 1/10 also?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
that we can write it in 0.1 also. Next sheets, page number 141 to 145. Read and come tomorrow. And day after tomorrow, I will take your test. Tomorrow, we will discuss from 141 to 145. Clear? And day after tomorrow, we will take the CT of this chapter. Thank you, students.
bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.